Most of the time when you're sewing on fabrics, even if they're the stretchiest fabric or the sheerest fabric, really keeping the Singer integrated even feed system engaged will give you the best stitching that you are going to get. But in a pinch, there is the ability to adjust the pressure of this foot. The pressure is how firm this foot comes down and sits on the fabric. So the only thing is that you do see an N for kind of normal, is as you go to a smaller number, that's going to be less pressure, and a bigger number would be more pressure. There is a plus and a minus, so you'd know which way to go if you want less or more. And I would probably keep in mind that if I turned it one time one way, I might want to make a note to go ahead and turn it back that same amount of twists. And then that way you can get it back to kind of normal. There are some marks and lines on here, but you definitely, I rarely have to turn this, I will tell you, because of this great system that is built into the machine just to help keep all the layers together. So if you really have something that's coming out really wavy, the less pressure would be best, and then that way the foot won't come down and sit so heavily on the fabric. So in a pinch, it's there, but I will tell you, most of the time, you're just gonna leave it at normal and use that wonderful system that will help feed the fabric from both the top and working with and in conjunction with your feed dogs underneath.